Hi, Ms. Villegas. How are you?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm fine.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Luz B. Villegas, 33 years old, separated. I'm blessed I have one child, college level. I worked before in UAA, 2 years and 6 months, and 1 pupil and 3 children.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
Yes, sir, madam. My main previous duties, how to taking care of babies and cleaning, ironing, and any work will you provide.
Then why do you choose to work in Singapore?
Sir, madam, I choose work in Singapore for save and learn more.
By the way, since you're from UAE, do you know some Arabic words?
Yes, sir, madam.
Can you please cite us an example?
Sir, madam, like, sabahan or it means to say good morning, and ala kami, it means to say God bless you.
Alright. Can you cook some Arabic foods?
Yes, sir, madam. I know how to cook Arabic food, like machbous, biryani, how to bake the cake, how to make the bread like Iranian and Lebanese bread.
Okay, that's very good. Now let's move on with children. What is the most important thing in taking care of the children?
Sir, madam, the most important thing of taking care of the children, you have open communication for the children in taking care with love.
Alright. Are you willing to have insufficient sleep in attending for the baby's need at night?
Yes, sir, madam. I'm
Alright.
willing.
Okay, that's very good. What if you found out that the baby has a fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
Sir, madam, first thing, I will call my employer about the situation of the babies and I will give medicine for the fever.
Alright, now do you have any last message to your future employer?
Yes, sir, madam. Please hire me and I'm trustworthy, honest, hardworking. I have done management and I will give satisfaction work for your family. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Ms. Villegas, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Thank you.